you gave your notice and you're now going full-time into your business, and you also created some amazing income in the past 4 to 5 months. Can you give me like a ballpark range of what, like how much you've increased your income and your revenue?
Certainly. I, previous to this, we had some really good months as far as our month, as far as like how we were doing with our business. And, that was like in the like tens or 20s of thousands. But in a short time, we've gotten into like 30,000, into 40,000 as far as like monthly revenue goes with our business. And that's somewhere we've never gone before. And it's been through offering greater diversity of things, right? So we're mostly a product business, but through this program and through our own initiatives, like we've expanded to, like I said, live courses. We've done more with our online course, and that has really taken it to the next level for us.
Yeah. I mean, it sounds like you've had months where you've literally doubled your revenue